Hey guys, and today I'll be answering a popular question. What's the battery life of this Samsung Galaxy Watch 7? Let's find out. So, here is the scoop. The 44mm version, like I have, has a bit better battery life compared to the 40mm model. With normal use, this model can last up to 40 hours. But if you have the always-on display enabled, it will last up to 30 hours. This is thanks to its larger 425 mAh battery, giving you more time, especially with features like sleep tracking and always-on display. So I have found this information on the official Samsung.com website, and here it is. And for more details, just check out this website or the user manual which comes with this device. And that's it. Hope this video was useful for you, and thank you so much for watching.